The purpose of this video is to provide an introduction to the choke pump screen. Navigate to the screen by clicking the Well Control button, then by clicking the Choke Pumps button. We will start by breaking down the screen into various important elements. The main elements on the choke pump screen are as follows: the alarms, the trip tank alarm and controls, the stroke counter, the gauge cluster, the choke indicator and speed adjustment controls, the choke lever, and the choke selector. In this tutorial, the well is shut in on a gas kick. We will bring the pumps online to explain the features of the screen. Observe the 3.2 meters cubed gain on the mud gain loss alarm. The gauge cluster shows the current shut-in pressures on analog and digital gauges. Endeavour 1 is equipped with 2 hydraulic chokes. Toggle between the active choke using the choke selector. Watch as I toggle from choke 2 to choke 1. I now control choke 1 using the choke lever. Click the open or close buttons to manipulate the choke's position. The choke opening position is configurable. By default, the choke opens at approximately 24%. Increase the pump speed using the pump controls. Zero the stroke counter by pressing the 0 button. The total strokes and total volume readouts are reset. On the gauge cluster, click the digital gauge. A dialog appears. Set a low and high value. This creates a shadow on the gauge. Use the shadow to assist keeping the pressure within acceptable limits. Control the speed of the choke adjustment with the use of the speed control modes. Fast mode allows the choke to be operated at a fixed rate of 6% per second. Variable mode allows the choke to be controlled at a speed defined by the user. Use the arrows to adjust the choke adjustment speed to the desired rate. Slow mode allows the choke to be operated at a fixed rate of 0.3% per second. This concludes the tutorial video for the choke pump screen.